Previously on Baby Bunnies.
That's a good point though, because I see where you're going with that. And that's cool. I've been in households. I've had mothers that reject, this is, I don't think this is right.
Overall thought for both of you is raise the stakes. Raise the stakes. You know.
Would you want to see her a little more conversational as opposed to breaking it up as much as she's breaking up her lines? I mean, she's
in the beginning more so, yeah.
She's just breaking it up a little bit.
Yeah, put it all together.
Yeah, tighten it up, flow it a little bit better.
Yeah.
You know, because
especially in the beginning, because the beginning, this is you did not expect this. It was, hey, I need that drink, by the way. It's casual.
Yeah.
You know. Things to think about.
For you, that's all that I
These warehouse-like structures, we can create any environment to store demands. We'll build it, we'll use it, we'll build it. When we're done, we'll tear it down and build a new environment in its place. Stage 12 is the largest soundstage on our property, and now from our biggest, we're approaching some of our busiest. Coming up off to the left are stages 25, 24, 23.
Oh my God!
Now, we have used a lot of picture cars over the years, especially in the #1 race car series of all time, The Fast and the Furious. I really do love the Fast and Furious movies, and I'm excited for Fast and Furious 8. They announced the director will be F. Gary Gray, who not only directed Straight Outta Compton, but he also directed The Italian Job with Mark Wahlberg, so we know he can direct scenes with stunts and cars. The first Fast and Furious film took place on the streets of water. The raindrops are hoping easier to see because they're larger than real raindrops.
Oh my God!
Like that, watch out!
Oh my gosh!
We're all in this together. The flood created thousands of gallons of water getting tanks in South Dale. After the water comes down, it goes through the grates and recycled and comes back up to the top of the hill where it waits for the next.
Okay, that was so cool. I told you, pick that wire. Literally the wire.
I'm in this movie!
Somebody give me a call. That's actor Paul Giamatti there on your screens. He was nominated for an Oscar.
Literally, no.
Just for a different
Nobody probably reused it anyway.
Mexico and travel north. We're pushing the spirit.
They reuse it, don't worry.
Where Director Ben Affleck is left the train in the other direction.
threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas.
It's one at a time, but I'm working on something really big today, so I'm going to have to do this kind of quick.